using this tire for Sandals because it doesn't have steel belting, it has nylon belt, so I can cut through it easily. Oh yeah. What should I use for strappy stuff? Now I'm gonna think about that while I cut out the other foot. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah. I like it. Wow. I was expecting these to not be that comfortable, but they are like really comfortable. I'm kind of surprised. All right, let's test these silly things. All right. No sprinting. Staying on walking pretty well though. I would like to be able to run fast in these. Maybe there's something I can do up here to, I don't know, make them stay on better. However, in the meantime, they're pretty good for jogging around. Stepping on spikes. Yeah, nothing's gonna get through that hole. You know, just the left one was coming off, this one. And this part's tilted that way a little bit more. So maybe I'll take those two screws out, tilt it forward a little bit, and put them back in. Yeah, that'll hold them on a little better. And if that's not good enough, I could just make these taller and have a part that can wrap around my ankle. Then they would never come off. Then I could do anything in them. Anything!